Welcome to Tidydays, the simple way to manage your team. Let's walk through how to get started. Login and dashboard. Start by signing into your Tidydays HR account. Once you're in, the dashboard gives you a quick overview of your day. You can check in directly from here and instantly see your team's status, who's present, on leave, or away. Quick employee onboarding. To onboard a new employee, go to Teams. Tap Quick Add. Enter the required details, select the right leave settings, and add the contract dates. Then, enter the employee's email and assign their role. Once you hit Submit, the employee is fully added to your HR system. Linking an employee to a device. Next, let's connect your newly onboarded employee to their attendance device. From Teams, open their profile using the eye icon. Go to Configuration, then scroll to Attendance. Choose the device they'll be checking in and out from. If they're already registered on the device, select them. If not, simply enter their employee ID. Finally, tap Sync Employee to complete the setup. Attendance and Leave Reports. To view attendance leave reports, go back to Teams and open the Attendance tab. Tap the three-dot menu on the top right and select Attendance Leave Report. Choose your preferred date range, and the report will generate instantly. You can also export it with a single click. And that's your quick walkthrough of Tidydays HR. Onboarding, devices, attendance, and reports, all in one clean system.